Whether you need a tool for roadside tire changes or you plan to work on your car's undercarriage, investing in one of the best car jacks is a good idea. The standard scissor jack or lift jack included in most tire replacement kits can get the job done. There are many products available to choose best car jacks, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and complete a list of the best car jacks from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Big Red Car Jacks. The Torin Big Red T10152 Steel Scissor Lift Jack Car Kit is a collapsible, compact jack. Can be used as a rugged replacement jack or as an extra utility jack that can be stored in the trunk of your car. Engineered using a drop-forged alloyed steel construction for quality and durability, and features a lifting range of 4.1/8 to 15.1/8 with a 1.5-ton, 3,000 pounds, capacity. It's equipped with an extra wide base, which adds stability and strength. The one-piece handle delivers on-the-spot quick response and speed to get the job done quickly and safely. This unit is 100% factory tested for reliability and safety to meet and comply with ANSI/ASME PASE safety standards. Number 2. AMVIA Car Jacks. Specification: maximum lifting weight, 1.5 ton, 3,300 pounds. Lift operating distance from 4.13 inches to 15.15 inches. Net weight 5.34 pounds, 2.42 kilograms. White heavy checkmark smart mechanism, 90% less effort required to lift your vehicle with the innovative ratchet system and 90% less effort required to remove lug nuts with the adjustable lug wrench. White heavy checkmark flat tire repair. For any emergency, this car jack kit will help you change your tire fast and easy. With this kit, you will not require anything additional. White heavy checkmark universal. This kit is designed to fit any vehicle: sedan, coupe, SUV, MPV, hatchback, crossover, wagon, and more. White heavy checkmark guaranteed purchase. We know you have options here, and we know that our quality is superior, so we want to make the best choice the easiest one. That's why we will refund you 100% if you have a single concern about anything. Just send it back our way for a replacement or full refund. The choice is yours. Number 3. Jack Boss Car Jacks. Specifications: hydraulic trolley jack features a 3-ton, 6,600 pounds, capacity with lifting height from 5.1 inch to 18.3, floor jack saddle diameter, 4 inch with quick lift function. It's the best tool for car repairing and auto emergency treatment in garage, shop. Durable steel constructions. Heavy-duty steel construction provides years of service, equipped with rugged universal joint for precise load control. Premium stability allows the service jack to work for a long time on all kinds of roads. Safety guarantee. Car jack comes with built-in internal safety valve and vent plug, ensures safe operation. Padded handle provides vehicle protection when jack is lifting. Each floor jack has been rigorously tested to ensure the safety of work. 1-year warranty guarantee for free return. Flexible swivel casters, equipped with pair 2-inch steel front casters and pair 2 360-degree swivel casters, solid rubber material, for easy positioning of jack. Meets ANSI/ASME PASE safety standards. Number 4. Tonda Car Jacks. Floor jack parameter: minimum lifting height, 4.9 inch, maximum lifting height, 11.8, load capacity, 2 ton, 4,000 pounds. Ideal for most cars, trucks, and SUVs. Safety bypass system: built-in safety valve prevents overloading and ensures safe operation. Easy maneuverability, equipped with 2 large steel casters and 2 360-degree swivel casters for smooth maneuverability. Lightweight for easy mobility and transport. Carrying handle, equipped with a handy handle, making it easy to carry. Durability: car jack is constructed with heavy-duty steel and rust-resistant finish, providing long-term durability. Number 5. Tonda Car Jacks. 2-ton floor jack works for sedan and coupe. Lifting range, 4.9 inches to 11.8 inches. Complies with the ANSI/ASME PAL 2014 standards. Built-in safety valve prevents overloading. Heavy-duty steel construction with rust-resistant finish provides long-term durability. Large steel swivel casters for easy maneuverability. Lightweight for easy mobility and transport. Includes a 12-month manufacturer warranty. If there are any problems with our floor jack, please feel free to contact us. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post informative videos every day. Check out my description if you're in need of more details or would want to know how much the things cost. If you have any issues, please leave a remark below. Keep up with our awesome product, which will make your life a lot easier.